Once upon a time, high in the sky, lived a fluffy little cloud named Cloudy. Cloudy loved floating above the earth, watching the forests, animals, and people below. One day, as he drifted over the land, he noticed something strange. Many of the forests were thinning, and the air felt warmer. Curious, Cloudy floated down to visit his old friend, the great oak tree. "Cloudy," the great oak said with a heavy sigh, "the forests are disappearing. People are cutting down trees faster than we can grow back. Without the trees, animals lose their homes, and the earth becomes hotter." Cloudy looked around at the bare patches where once vibrant trees had stood, and he felt sad for the animals. "What can we do to help?" Cloudy asked. The great oak smiled gently. "People can plant more trees and protect the forests. With care and love, we can grow strong again." Cloudy decided to explore further and drifted north to the icy Arctic, but what he saw broke his heart. The ice was melting into water, and polar bears and seals were struggling to find solid ground. Cloudy found his friend, Salty the seal, resting on a shrinking patch of ice. "Salty, why is all the ice melting?" Cloudy asked. Salty looked up with a sad smile. "The earth is warming because of pollution. Greenhouse gases trap heat in the atmosphere, and it's causing the ice to melt. Without the ice, we animals have nowhere to live, and the rising seas will flood distant lands." Cloudy, concerned for his friend and the animals, asked, "Can we stop it?" Salty nodded. "If people use cleaner energy and reduce pollution, we can save the ice." Cloudy continued his journey south and soon found himself over a once mighty river that was now drying up. Fish like his friend Splash were struggling to survive in the shrinking water. Cloudy floated down, feeling worried. "Splash, what's happening to the river?" Cloudy asked, noticing the cracked ground and small puddles. Splash replied, "The climate is changing, Cloudy. Rainfall is becoming less predictable, and the heat is causing the rivers to dry up. Without water, we fish have nowhere to live." Cloudy felt sad but determined. "Can we fix it, Splash?" Splash nodded. "If people save water and protect the rivers, they will flow again, and we can survive." Cloudy traveled over farmlands where something else caught his eye. The seasons were all mixed up. Summer came too early and winter too late. Farmer Lily, whom Cloudy had known for years, stood looking worried among her wilting crops. "Lily, what's happening to the seasons?" Cloudy asked, noticing that some fields were flooded while others were too dry. "The seasons aren't what they used to be," Lily explained. "Climate change has made the weather unpredictable. It rains too much when we don't need it, and doesn't rain when we do. Our crops can't survive like this." Cloudy frowned, but remained hopeful. "Can it be fixed?" Lily nodded. "Yes. If we adapt and take care of our planet, we can find ways to help the crops grow despite the changing weather." Cloudy then drifted over the deep blue ocean and saw the coral reefs, once vibrant and colorful, now pale and lifeless. He met Corallina, a once bright fish, who looked sad as she swam through the bleached coral. "Corallina, what happened to the reefs?" Cloudy asked. "The ocean is getting too warm," Corallina replied. "When the water gets too hot, the coral loses its color and dies. Without the coral reefs, many of us fish lose our homes." Cloudy felt a deep sense of worry for the underwater world. How can we protect the oceans? If people reduce pollution and take care of the seas, the coral can come back to life, Corallina said, her fins flicking hopefully. After witnessing so much, Cloudy returned to the sky, now understanding the importance of protecting the earth. He gathered his cloud friends, along with the animals and people from all over the world. Together, they started planting trees, using clean energy, and caring for the rivers, forests, and oceans. Slowly, the earth began to heal. The forests grew tall again, the rivers flowed freely, the ice stopped melting, and the coral reefs regained their colors. Cloudy smiled as he watched the world thrive once more, knowing that with care and love, the planet could be saved. Moral of the story is, climate change is real, but if we work together, by protecting nature, using clean energy, and caring for our planet, we can heal the Earth. Every small action counts, and with love and effort, we can make the world a better place for future generations.